morning, everyone. Can everyone hear me okay?
Yes.
It, okay, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and mute everyone just from this point on so we can avoid any background interference. Um, so I'm just going to mute everyone starting now. If for any reason you guys cannot hear me at some point or you cannot view my screen, my slides are not changing, go ahead and feel free to send me a little message on the chat box that appears on your screen, letting me know that you can't hear me or you cannot view my screen. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with today's presentation. I want to thank each and every one of you for your time and for joining us today on this exciting product, which is the most recent product that Central United Life has launched. It was launched just a few months ago. It's called Out-of-Pocket Protection Plan, which is a hospital confinement protection plan. With me today, I have Bob Harris. He actually designed this product. And I have Buddy, so I'm going to have them say a quick hello to you.
Welcome, everybody. Good morning.
Okay, so I hope you all heard them. And they're going to be here just to kind of help me out through this presentation since they are the special guys with this product. So let's go ahead and get started here, okay? And just please remember, if you cannot hear me or if you cannot view my screen at some point throughout the presentation, please feel free to send me a message on the chat box. Also regarding questions, we're not going to open up for questions on this particular webinar. Since it is our first webinar on this product, we just want to go ahead and cover the basic details about the product. I am going to give you some information at the end of the presentation where you can call in and ask any specific questions that you may have. So please feel free to take notes, write down your questions, and then you can call in and ask those specific questions, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. For those of you who are brand new with our company, I just want you to know that I like to get started with a little background on our company so you know who we are and how we got to where we are today. The Manhattan Insurance Group started in 1982 and was originally focused on acquisitions. So now we have Manhattan Life, which was originally founded in 1850 and acquired in 2000. This company offers life and health insurance products in the U.S. and Puerto Rico, and dollar-denominated life insurance products in Latin America, Asia, and other countries worldwide. Next, we have Central United Life Insurance Company, founded in 1963 and acquired in 1995. This company offers supplemental health insurance products to individuals and through worksite marketing, such as our out-of-pocket protection plan. Also, one of our most popular products with this company is our dental, vision, and hearing product. Very, very popular and very competitive, as well as our cancer products. Next, we have Family Life, which was founded in 1949 and acquired in 2007. This company has life insurance products that provide coverage to middle-income America. And last but not least, we have Western United Life Assurance Company, founded in 1963, acquired in 2013, and offers a line of short-term single premium annuities. On this slide, you guys can see a picture of our headquarters office here in Houston, Texas. So for those of you who are outside of Houston, you are more than welcome to visit us. We'd love to see you in person. And hopefully, when you get here, the weather will be as nice as it is in this picture, just like it is today. Okay? Well, let's go ahead and start talking about our product here. So why is hospital confinement protection important? Well, due to high cost of health insurance, out-of-pocket costs for hospitalization can be a financial burden. Not only hospitalization costs, but also increased expenses, such as child care, transportation, lodging, and meals. So with a hospital indemnity plan, your clients can have peace of mind as they recover while in the hospital, knowing that these out-of-pocket costs will be covered. Okay, so let me just make sure that my screen is switching here, and I apologize for that. Okay, so we can help with this type of situation. So when a family has a medical condition and has to go to the hospital, they don't need any added financial burden at that time. That's the last thing they need. Well, our new out-of-pocket protection plan is designed to help pay some of the out-of-pocket costs that most families will experience from higher deductible plans with fewer benefits. And I do apologize for this. My screens are taking a little bit long to change, but I think we finally got it. So how does this plan work? This plan pays in addition to any other coverage. It pays directly to the policyholder. So what does that mean? That means that your client is able to go to any provider they choose, receive the services, they file the claim, and we pay a check directly to them, and they go and they pay their provider. They can choose benefits and premium. On the next slide, we will see exactly what that means. As I mentioned earlier, it pays in addition to all other insurance. There are no deductibles and no networks, so they can choose any provider they like. They can go anywhere or any doctor that they may already feel comfortable with. And we have an easy claim filing system. It is very easy and quick to process. We just have a claim form, and we just need the receipts. You can fax them over to our claims department, and the check will be issued to your client. Okay, so let's take a look at the product highlights that we have for our out-of-pocket protection plan. First, we have the daily inpatient hospital confinement benefit. This daily benefit is up to 10 days of either $100 a day or $200 a day. For those of you who are in Texas, keep in mind that it's up to 30 days. This particular benefit is included in the plan, but the client has to choose either $100 a day or $200 a day. We also have the first hospital admission benefit. This admission benefit of either $2,500, $5,000, or $6,350, and it will be one per year. Again, this benefit is part of the base plan, so the client will just have to choose either $2,500 or $5,000 or $6,350. The next benefit we have is 2 doctor office visits per year of $50 per visit. This is already included in the base plan. So again, I reiterate, these benefits that you see on this screen are part of the base plan. On the first 2, the client will have to choose one of the benefit amounts. Okay? We also have optional benefits available. This will be at an extra cost. We have the outpatient benefit, the outpatient surgery benefit. It will be 2 per year, and this is based on a surgical schedule. The client can choose a $1,000 benefit, $2,000 benefit, or $3,000 benefit. And we also have the optional benefit of emergency accident. This would be 4 per year, $250 maximum benefit. Okay, now let's talk about some rates, or our rates. We're going to take a look at the individual. So we're going to take, for example, Nan. She is our prospect for today. She's a 50-year-old female, and she chose a $100 per day benefit, a $6,350 hospital admission benefit, and the optional emergency accident benefit. The office visit is included and not optional. So her total monthly premium is $35.77. So that would be the $183 for the $100 a day inpatient hospital, 2328 for the first hospital admission, which is 6,350. We have 833 for the two doctor office visits, and then she decided to add the emergency accident optional benefit for 233. So all that equals to 3577 a month. As you can see on here on our rates chart, the mandatory benefits are on the top and the optional benefits are on the bottom. For those of you who are in Texas, keep in mind that Texas is a has state-specific rates. Okay, so now let's continue talking about Nan. We will include Nan's husband. They would like to get $100 a day inpatient hospital, $5,000 first hospital admission. The doctor office visit is included, and they will go ahead and add the emergency accident benefit, which is optional. So their total monthly premium would be $63.70 for both. That is a great deal and very competitive in the market. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and include the whole family in this plan. We're going to include Nan, her husband, and their two children. They're going to go ahead and get the $100 a day inpatient hospital benefit, 1917 first hospital admission with $2,500 benefit, doctor office visit, 3333. They're going to include both optional benefits, the outpatient surgery with $1,000 benefit, which is 3033, and the emergency accident, which is 250 up to 4 times per year, $6.42. That will equal 9308 for the entire family. So that's the two parents and two children covered for 9308 a month. That is a great deal again, folks. You can't beat that. It is extremely, extremely good. And just so you can keep in mind, this coverage is per person. So it's not, for example, in the inpatient hospital, it's not $100 a day for the whole family. It's $100 a day for each member of the family. So mom gets $100 a day, dad gets $100 a day, and each child gets $100 a day benefit. And that is the same all across the board for all benefits. Also keep in mind that the family rates are up to 3 children. Okay, now let's take a good example here. This is our term bronze or silver into gold slide. What does this mean? Nan and her husband, age 50 again, get a quote from one of the carriers on the exchange for $973.78. It is a silver plan, PPO network with a $6,350 deductible with copays and prescription plan. They are shocked at the price and decide to look at a bronze plan instead. The bronze plan is also a PPO with a $6,350 deductible, but does not have any copays or prescription plan. Nan and her husband have saved on this plan $205.20 a month, but are now self-insuring up to their deductible with $13,000 of risk. That's a huge amount if you ask me. Well, after looking at the out-of-pocket protection plan, they choose first hospital admission benefit with a $6,350 benefit, inpatient hospital of $100, the $250 office visits, and the $250 emergency accident benefit. This is all for $63.70 a month. That means that they're going to save $141.50, and now they have a 100% plus plan from the first hospital stay, plus outpatient benefits for doctor visit, emergency accident, and this cannot get any better, guys. They have no out-of-pocket risk and are happy with their agent. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of our product specs. Keep in mind that this is a fully underwritten product and is not guaranteed issue. We just have a few medical questions on the application and we run an MIB and prescription drug profile. The issue ages are 18 through 69 for individuals. For clients that are between ages 65 and 69, they can be written through a group insurance and cannot be combined with Medicare. This product can be sold as individual and it can do a list bill sale as well. Okay, these rates are unisex, so there is no difference. There's no difference in rates for male or female. I do see that there's a couple of questions that you guys are writing, and I do thank you and I encourage you to have these questions. I will just answer this one very quickly because I know that it might be a question that you may all have. But keep in mind that at the end of the presentation, I will give you a phone number so you guys can call in and talk to our product specialist. You can either talk to Bob Harris or you're going to talk to Buddy, who can answer any of your questions. Okay? Okay, so is pregnancy covered? Pregnancy is covered if conception takes place after the policy has already been acquired. It does not cover pre-existing pregnancy. Okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at our state availability map. All the states that you see in green, this is where our product is already available. If you are already registered on our website, you can log in, go to any state specific, and you can view any brochures, applications, agent guide, and rates for that particular state. The states in blue is where we have already filed for this product. We are just waiting for the approval, so stay tuned and check on a regular basis with us to see if that state has already been approved and you can market the product there. Okay. Okay, well, one very convenient tool that we have available for all of our associates is our Manhattan Direct system. This system gives you the availability to write your applications online. It is very quick and convenient to use, very easy. Once you have your client has selected their plan or the product that they want, they're going to get a screen that looks like this. It gives you a description of the product. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are asking, how do I get access to this system? In order to get an access to the system, we build a hyperlink especially for each agent. The hyperlink has your agent number attached to it. So any applications that are submitted through this hyperlink will be automatically credited to you. You can use this hyperlink to email it to your clients who can get a quote and fill out the application at their convenience. This is available 24 hours a day. So if you have not received your hyperlink, be sure to contact our marketing department so we can go ahead and build one for you. Okay, so we're going to quickly go through this online application system so you can get an idea on how easy it is. So like I said, once you or your client has selected the plan that they want, they're going to get a screen with a description of the product. We're going to click on Get a Quote, and it's going to take you to the next screen where you will enter the client's basic information. Where it says applicant, it's going to be self, or it's going to be self and spouse or family. Date of birth, the date of birth is going to be the older person if there's going to be more than one person on the policy. Gender, smoker or non-smoker, residence state for the applicant. Payment mode could be monthly bank draft or monthly credit card. The effective date, it's going to automatically give you 10 days from the current date, but that's something that the system automatically does. You can go ahead and ignore that because our underwriting process for this product is fairly quickly. Okay? Please be sure that when you are with your client and you're filling out the application, that you answer all questions accurately. this will avoid any delays through the application process. Okay, so now once we have included the basic information, we're going to click on Get a Quote, and it's going to give us our different prices for the different benefits. You're going to make your selection. Remember that the first three benefits, which is the daily inpatient hospital confinement benefit, first hospital admission, and doctor's office visit, are mandatory benefits, part of the base plan. Then we have our optional benefits, which is the outpatient surgery benefit and the emergency accident benefit. The client will have to select which amount they will want for three of these benefits. So for example, on the daily inpatient hospital confinement benefit, they can choose $100 a day or $200 a day. Make sure that they select that the one that they're interested in. And then if they add the optional benefits, their premium at the total premium at the bottom is going to adjust accordingly. Once they have selected, then they can go ahead and click on apply, and it's going to take us right to the application. Um, like I said earlier, when we get clean applications, it just makes um, the whole underwriting process a lot quicker, and your client is going to be a lot happier when they are able to start using the benefits quickly. Okay, so we're going to go really quickly through it. Applicant's information: first name, last name, social security number or ITIN number. For those of you who are not familiar, ITIN number is the individual taxpayer identification number issued by the IRS to foreign nationals who do not qualify for a social security number. Keep in mind that we are one of very few companies who offer coverage to clients with ITIN or who don't currently have a social security number. Okay, we're going to do gender, height and weight, email. I get this question a lot. Is it important or is it necessary to include an email? Absolutely, because one of the benefits of doing the online application system is that if you do not put information on the fields that have the red asterisk, it will not allow you to go on. So if you have clients that don't want to provide their email address or don't use email, then I suggest the agent put their email address on there. Telephone number, same thing. We need a valid phone number for the client. If we get anything back from MIB or from the prescription drug profile that is not explained on the application, or we just need to verify some information, we'd like to be able to contact the client just to verify this information. If we do not have a valid phone number, again, that's going to delay the underwriting process. Okay, residential address for the applicant, mailing address if different, premium payer other than applicant. So let's say that a parent is paying for a policy or for coverage for their college student, then that's where that parent's information would go. Beneficiary, if you want to add any beneficiaries on here, we can go ahead and add it in that area. Okay, here's where we have the easy questions for this type of product. Also, if you are going to include bank account, credit card, then that information. Also, if it's a list bill, that's where you would select that option. Okay, we have the medical questions on here, which are, as you can see, they're very easy. We have some more medical questions. Make sure that they're all complete. Mail to any documents related to the policy. You can select, you can have us mail it directly to the client, or if you prefer, we can mail them to you and you can deliver them personally to your client. On this particular system, the client's electronic signature is their mother's maiden name. So you can be on the phone with your client, completing the application for your client, asking them the questions, and if they give you their mother's maiden name, all you have to do is write it in. So for example, if it's Smith, you will write Smith, click submit, and congratulations, your application has been successfully submitted. Okay, keep in mind, guys, that this will be the only time that you will have to view the application. So I suggest you click on view the application. You can save it as a PDF file on your computer, or you can print it for your records. If you want to submit another application for the same applicant, you could click on submit another application, and the basic information will already be filled out for you. You don't have to do it all over again. View or choose another product. So for example, one of our life products or our dental vision or hearing product, then you click on view or choose another product. Or if you are done, click on I am done. Okay. I want to let you guys know that this presentation is available on our website. It is under the training library, which is Agent Tools. For those of you who are already registered, you can access it any time of the day or night. You can use it to show it to your clients, or even if you may have any questions, you want to review it, or you want to train other agents that work with you, then you have it available for you. Okay, I also want to let you know that we have the paper application available for those of you who have clients who prefer to do the old-fashioned paper application. This application can be submitted through regular mail. It can be faxed to us or emailed. You can also upload it on our website, but do keep in mind that you must see the client and obtain a live signature. In this case, the client's mother's maiden name is not acceptable. Okay, so just keep that in mind for the paper application. Okay, we do have an agent's guide available on our website, and also as part of the welcome kit for those of you who are just new with us, you receive a welcome kit by email. That welcome kit does include the agent's guide. I strongly suggest that you review this, as it will help you answer any questions that your clients may have regarding this product. Okay, I have mentioned our website several times. So for those of you who are not familiar with our website, all you have to do is go to www.manhattanlife.com. It is a quick and easy process to register. As I mentioned earlier, you are able to view any marketing material. You can view the brochure, the rates, the application, or the agent guide. You can also view any other products that may be available in your state. You can view this presentation as well as other presentations for other products. You can view commissions. You can view lots and lots of information. You have a lot of tools available for you on here. Okay, so here's that number that I was talking about. If you have any questions regarding this product, you can contact your marketing director, or you may call our office at the number that appears on the screen, which is 1-888-441-0770, and ask for extension 6523. Again, that's 1-888-441-0770, and the extension is 6523. Reached the end of our presentation. I want to thank each and every one of you for your time. I hope you all have a great day. Other questions that were not addressed, so I will be sure to go ahead and try to get, I hope I have your email address so we can email you, or again, feel free to call our office and ask for specific questions. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and try to address one here. It says, is there a network with renegotiated or discounted rates included in coverage or not? The answer is no. So if you're still with me, I hope you're still hearing my answer. And again, thank you everyone, and I hope you have a great day.